Plus the top stories. World Suicide Prevention Day observed in state. Burn unit of RIMS Plastic Surgery Department inaugurated. Lystrom Ingo of Tinungay 6 Health for treatment. Hello, welcome to PONYTV English News. This is Maria giving you the news in detail. People should not judge other people and should not be punished. It's because only God has the authority. That is the most heartbreaking thing for humans, says Director of Health Services Dr. Kishorshandra. The statement was given during the 20th World Suicide Prevention Day program organized by National Mental Health Program, State Health Society and National Health Mission Manipur on the theme Creating Hope Through Action at Indian Medical Association Hall, Lamphellpa today. During the program, Health Services Director Dr. Kishorshandra, Public Health of Medical Directorate Additional Director Dr. Y. Gopal Krishna and Medical Care of Medical Directorate Additional Director Dr. Lalthari Mar were also present. During the function, Kishorshandra also said one should give hope to those who realize their mistake. Scolding them could lead to suicide, thus parents should also get rid of harmful substances. He further stated that excessive use of mobile phones by the younger generation create lack of communication among the family members, which is not a good sign.
Action and again, Madam Never Victor Object mobile Kaman confined to late the common person, Meshu Heidi, Nam, English, Amy, Sassina, mobile scenery Ganda, say to say to win more of the Ganda, I cannot do further actions. Other than carrying to give mobile confined to
Under the National Program for Prevention and Management of Burn Injuries, a burn unit was inaugurated at Plastic Surgery Department at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, today. The inauguration function was attended by Professor S. Santa, RIMS Director Dr. N. Sanjeev, Medical Superintendent and Dr. A.K. Ibohol, Head of the Department of Plastic Surgery. Professor S. Santa said burn cases are the severe cases among other cases. As we have a burn unit, it will be relief to the patients. As the old building were in deprived condition, they met a new separated building. The director further expressed that the building will be upgraded to the second floor in the future.
Units OT ICU oxygen pipeline connection COVID ki 4 wave third wave ka 4 wave season of OT oxygen line mayam sing cooperation mayam sing pipirap patagi akoy ngasi sumaina tawgungam jabani sina face of the rims oi gadoi na akoy masigi matakta floor ama ms na hagi da maina adugi aim da lei warab matam akoy na yamna matam dal oina support of the akoy matam so
Lystrom Ingo, who is a daily wager and only bread earner of the family from Tinungay, Ward Number 6, Bishnupur District, is suffering from the heart disease. After complaining of breathing problem, he was first treated at Mangal Hospital, then at Jennings. Later on, September 5, he was admitted to RIMS, where he was suggested to go outside the state for further treatment. Right now, Lystrom Ingo's wife is treating his son and does not have enough money for his husband's treatment. Their financial condition is not good, so Sundari, mother of Lystrom Ingo, appeals to the Chief Minister and to the general public for their support.
Suraga nongmagi apang suraga sa apani aidi isagi lupa lak tara kunje puthungningai leiti aidi mayamna nungsibinaga ibu isagi thawai dadi khanme imau nu bijo delivery case ki operation da tawna lejin sida lai ai bu nungsibiu mayamna ai upai leiti ai koram dai isagi puthi kanna ba mayamda Babu ngai ka dara kare ai ka dara sim bilin da sunung sibiu isabu anta di kan biyo
Restamo mi mangani mulai dure mi mangani mulai ngasi kuma ngarang kuma pani ngarang kuma padagi mo aise hakchang yam nuai tare adu mari lena ba 거기 메디아기 통되기 와봉 비렌다 이콜로나나 하저 아이 몸떡한 비요하나 와봉 비렌 나트라데 이부 간비나 버리야 나사나 나 콘들 와봉 비렌다 세타나 사게 까리모 파일레트 난 툼하리 파라 까리모 탐함들 파슬라이데 아두나 media ki thong de ki pabong birenda ina hanna korum jai po.
Based on reliable input, a team of Thaubal police arrested 2 persons along with 516.2 grams of brown sugar from Yaripog, Singa yesterday. The house search was conducted by teams of CDO Thaubal and 16 Assam Rifles, led by O. WANGKHEMCHA Additional SP Operation and assisted by Inspector K. Nitranjan Singh, OC, CDO Thaubal, and under the supervision of KISHORCHANDRA Havism, SP Thaubal. The arrested persons were identified as Muhammad Jalaluddin, age 56, son of Muhammad Saluddin of Yaripog Singa, and one Zakir Hussain, age 31, son of Samand Ali of Hailakandi District, Assam. 516.2 grams of brown sugar and a bolero with the registration number AS11P3381 that belonged to Zakir Hussain of Assam were taken from this possession. During this inquiry, it was found that Zakir Hussain had come all the way from Assam on the bolero to obtain drugs from Yaripog. The arrested persons along with the seized items were handed over to Yaripog police station and a case has been registered for further necessary action. The general public experiences enormous suffering and hassles in their everyday lives as a result of the proper non-maintenance of the road along NH 37, particularly in the Noni Bazaar area. Many vehicles become damaged and stalled due to the pond-like huge potholes and jacks in the middle of the road, which also makes it difficult for school-aged children and commuters to travel through. Speaking to the media about the terrible state of the road near Noni Bazaar, Kasagai Gangmai, chairman of the Longmai Village Authority, implored the relevant authority and the state government to seriously investigate the situation and fix the road right away. Otherwise, intense forms of agitations will be started with the support of the general public until the demands are met. Now let's have a short break. Keep watching for more updates.
DS Enterprises Kasamthongna organized over Manga Suba Langbal Kaikil. Lakadoriba September gi tang taraga tagi October gi tang taraga ni thoi phawma Palace Compound leiba apta kangjebung da pangthok sargani.
Langbal Kaikil asida Manipur da leiba furup khudingmakki cultural item amadi store sing thongbigani.
Mangarak suba Langbal Kaikil asida national amadi international gi oiba store chama hena saruk yagadori.
Nipal Tangana Pangthokpa festival amani. Festival asida gambling item amati yawjaroi handloom handicraft amadi disabled singi oina Soul 20 khudongtawa thamjai.
Tongan musical event rock show Manipuri matam isai loinana with the star dance competition amadi fashion event kaya su Langbal Kaikil uba khongbigani.
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaikil.
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaikil.
Welcome back. None Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of 22 Sector Assam Rifles and Inspector General of Assam Rifles is to organize a quiz competition on Indian cultural and military history at Don Bosco School, Tupul under None district today. The quiz competition was conducted with the aim to foster the bond of friendship between locals and Assam Rifles and also to enhance the general awareness of the students about our rich history. The quiz competition generated curiosity in students and encouraged the students to look beyond the textual knowledge and establish a relationship between theory and applications of learned concepts. Troops of Company Operating Base COB Tupul conveyed their best wishes to the students and encouraged them to strive towards achieving their goals in life. On the other hand, the school administration and villagers were also overwhelmed by the gesture of the troops of COB Tupul and expressed the youth of the area looked towards the Assam Rifles with a lot of expectations and thanked the Assam Rifles for the initiative. Traram Segment Voice CSV in collaboration with STO TOSEM organized felicitation for 2nd Manipur Olympic 2022 silver medalist Kyu Changliu Gangmei and Dr. Guangti Kwanla Rangmei, who successfully completed her PhD in anthropology from Northeastern Hill University, and for meritorious students of 2022 from Tramram segment at Sekinu in Tamenglong. The felicitation program was attended by Akinsin Gangmei, nominated MP, and Kaningai Riamai, Chairman, Christian Heritage Institute, CHI. Akinsin Gangmei appreciated the silver medalist Kyu Changliu Gangmei and Dr. Guangti Kwanlu Riamai for the success and hard work that brings glories for the district. He also wished them for the success in future. Parents should not just force their children just for an educational career, but let the children choose what they want in their career, he added. Kaningai Riamai said one should not discharge themselves, instead they should keep going. In future, many jobs may be replaced by artificial intelligence in future, but sports is the only one which is irreplaceable. The Manipur Pradesh chapter of the BJP Intellectual Cell congratulates Potsangam Sashikant Singh of Uripok Sorbon Tingil on his nomination to the Planning and Development Authority, Manipur. The intellectual wing of BJP also expressed gratitude to CM N. Biren Singh and BJP State President A. Sarda Devi. According to RTI documents obtained by The Wire, the State Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration granted a food license to the company controlled by Union Minister Smriti Irani's husband and their children for Silly Souls, the contentious Goa restaurant and bar that is housed in a private home in Asagao. Irani filed a defamation complaint against the Congress politicians for allegedly leveling unfounded and false claims against her and her 18-year-old daughter after the Congress claimed that the senior BJP leader and her daughter had connections with the upscale Goa restaurant Silly Souls Cafe and Bar. In a sworn affidavit submitted to the Delhi High Court last month, Irani and her daughter stated that had no connection to the Silly Souls Cafe and Bar at House 452, Botawado, Asagao in Goa. Drugs worth ₹3 crore were seized by the security forces in Karbi Anglong district of Assam on Saturday. In the Nagaland bordering Karbi Anglong district of Assam, a composite team of police and CRPF men began a search operation where 860 kilograms of marijuana and 40.07 grams of heroin were taken from a van arriving from Manipur by the Assam Police and CRPF squad. While the ganja was hidden in 80 packets, the heroin was kept inside 3 show boxes. 3 persons have been arrested by the police in Karbi Anglong district of Assam in connection with the seizure of the drugs. Before we wrap up the news, the top stories once again. World Suicide Prevention Day observed in state. Burned unit of RIMS Plastic Surgery Department inaugurated. Lystrom Ingo of Tinungay seeks help for treatment. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.